everybody, I'm Alabama Boss, and this is Deep Fry. On this episode, we're gonna put a little flair on an old favorite, chicken and waffle sandwich. Yeah, you heard me right, chicken and waffle sandwich. All right, we're gonna be using some ground chicken instead of chicken patties. We're gonna pat them out just like a hamburger. First thing we wanna do is season this up. Salt, pepper, and some Cajun spices. Then we'll take it, mix it all in. You wanna get all the spices mixed in real good and even throughout all the meat. Once you got all that mixed up real good, we're gonna pat out our chicken patties. You don't wanna pat out a half-pound patty and end up with some medium rare chicken that gives you a case of the screaming Ebola West Nile or something. So we're gonna do them nice and thin where we can get them well done. All right, we got us 2 patties ready. The next thing you wanna do is add some cheese to go in the center of these 2 patties. Today we're gonna be using pepper jack. We're gonna put it right here. And these patties are not thick. Keep that in mind. You want them pretty thin. Then we'll come back, cover it with our second patty. Then we wanna shape all that up, close that cheese off in the center. All right, now we're gonna dust the chicken up real light. We got some seasoned flour here. And we'll go from here into an egg wash. Just got a few eggs here. Dip it down in there real good. And you probably know we're going back to the flour. We want to make sure we get this covered real good in this seasoned flour. And that's going to give us our outside breading. And it's also going to lock in all of the seasoning we added to the meat before we started. All right, we got a nice sized patty here. We got our patty seasoned. We got our cheese in the middle. One thing left to do, submerge this bitch in burning hot oil. All right, here we go. With chicken, you want to look for the juices to be running clear. We're going to take her out in about 7-8 minutes, give it a look, see if it's done. We got a floater on her hands. That's a good indication that we need to turn this baby over. I wouldn't recommend turning most floaters, but when it's chicken, turn it. This right here is what I like to call the snapping turtle. As you can see, it is swimming in a counterclockwise direction. It's trying to escape the hot grease and my mouth. This is like a chicken pot pie on steroids. All right, this thing's been cooking for about 8 minutes at anywhere 375, 350 range. We're gonna take it out and let it rest. Our buns happen to be waffles. And yes, this is deep fried, so we're going to deep fry our waffle buns. I'm just gonna drop these in here for a minute or 2, just to get them nice golden brown. Shouldn't take a minute. All right, let's get our buns out of here and go put this baby together. We're gonna start off with our waffle bun. Then we'll bring over our mountain of chicken meat. Next thing, we're gonna add some syrup. Then we'll bring over our last bun, and that is our chicken and waffle sandwich, deep fried. I am cutting this into 4 pieces, but I am not giving it to 4 people. This is gonna help me handle this better as I eat all of it by myself. Oh, the chicken. It's so tender. The juices. Oh, this is it. Oh, this syrup is so warm. Sticky. This right here, the chicken is real good. The waffles are good. They're a little hard to handle, but they give it that sweet flavor we're looking for. And we got the salty in the middle, the pepper jack in the middle. The chicken has a lot of flavor to it. I mean, it's really, really good. The chicken would be great all by itself. The waffles are just kind of a bonus. That's some fine right there. Well, there you have it, chicken and waffle sandwich. That's one good mother clucker. If you got any recipes you want us to try on deep fried, hit them in the comments below. I'm Alabama Boss with Rated Red. Have a good one.